Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales at hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of a 2003 Chevy Tahoe Lt. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, and then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you're going to see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition, be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, things like that. Big reason why we do these video walkarounds, we do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give us a call or a text for further details and an instant quote. But I will tell you guys, normally we don't deal in vehicles of this age. But this one is in really good condition for the year, so I can see why they are selling it. And as you can see, tow pack, roof rack, it's got the leather load. Down here, get up close and personal here in the video. Get to the inside here in just a quick moment. Bear with me. I'm doing a video. It is up on our upper lot here. It's our overflow lot. Normally I do them down there, but alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Let me widen this out here. So, power windows, power locks, power memory seats, pedal adjusters. Get the condition of the leather here. Got the captain's chairs, passenger seat there, center console. It's like DVD player for an 03. Back this up here. Captain's chairs, second row, passenger or captain's chair over there. Rear entertainment for a 2008. Or 3, excuse me. And then let me get the back seats here for you. Alright, let's get some features up front. Steering wheel controls there. Stock stereo. A little bit of wear on the power button. A little wear on some of those buttons. But for an 03, it's understandable. Rear air controls, auto dim rear view mirror. Let's go ahead and turn this guy over. And the AC is blowing on me now. Oops. Alright, there's the mileage there, but as you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. Go ahead and turn on some lights. See Bose premium sound, blinkers in the mirrors. Well guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Or if you need, if you're out of state, you need an instant quote on transportation or delivery to the islands or Alaska, again, just reach out. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.